In today's video, we will talk about how to fix your AT&T router when it blinks red. First, let's understand why the router blinks red. This indicates issues such as internet and power failures, overheating, or software bugs. Here are the best solutions to fix the issue. Start by checking for a scheduled internet outage. Visit att.com/outages and enter your zip code or log into your account to see if there is any planned maintenance. If an outage is scheduled, wait until it is resolved. The blinking will stop once the issue is fixed. If there is no maintenance, inspect the cables. Loose or damaged cables are common reasons for the red blinking light. Check your router's cables for breaks, damages, and loose connections. Ensure the connectors fit firmly in their ports and replace any damaged cables. After this, check if the blinking persists. If the blinking continues, power cycle the router to address any software glitches. To do this, switch off your router, unplug it, and leave it unplugged for 10 minutes. Then, plug it back in, power on the router, and see if the blinking continues. If it does, reset the router. Press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds, release it when all the lights flash, and give your router 10 minutes to reset. After resetting, power on your router and the blinking should stop. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.